Hey everybody, Derek Smith here from Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a faucet on your pop-up camper or any camper for that matter. So I'm about to take this Utah out on a camping trip. We're going on a guide trip, four-wheeling. It should be fun. It's coming up soon. And this is a used unit, so just going through it, make sure everything's working, fixing what I have to. And hooking up the water system, I noticed I got a leaker on the faucet. So faucet won't shut off, and we're going to see if we have to replace this faucet or we can fix it. Let's try to fix it first. We're going to go ahead and pop this cap, grab a screwdriver or screw gun with Phillips head, pull it out straight up. Now this nut here is another adjustment point. So first I'm going to just try to manipulate this nut, see if I can get the water to shut off just by tightening this up. Put my nut back on. And no joy. See if I can get a little bit tighter. Nothing. So we're going to have to replace this faucet. This is likely due to it not being winterized properly. Let's go ahead and take it out. Shut my water off. And clear the pressure in the lines. Now with this camper, 2000 Utah, it's got the galley lift system, and there's just enough room in the back here to remove this faucet without having to remove the galley. You can see the rest of the water piping down here below it. We're going to work right from this area here. First thing I'm going to do, take some blue tape and just mark my hot line. Now there's two nuts that are holding the faucet to the sink countertop. Remove those. Now if your camper still has the original water feed lines in them, there's little rubber grommets that need to get back on the top of these hard plastic lines. It's got a new faucet from our web store. I'll add links in the description below. Alright, we'll put our new faucet onto the sink. And these faucets are special that they have a very low profile here for this spout. Even with the galley lift system down, standard faucets, most of them, the spouts are too high, and when the bed extension comes in, it can hit them. So make sure you get a very low profile. Back underneath, we're going to install the sealing ring first, and then the nut to the faucet holds it to the sink. Alright, I just snugged that one up. Now tighten them both up evenly. Next, reattach your water supply lines. You notice I'm not using any Teflon tape on these. The rubber sealing rings work in place of the Teflon when you have a flange water line connection like this. All right, now we're going to dry all this out and check it for leaks. And it looks like we're good. So I'm gonna get the AC going back in this camper and keep working on it, getting ready for the trip. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell. I've got a lot of good videos planned for this upcoming four-wheeling guys trip only. So it's gonna be fun. This camper's gonna get beat up, I'm sure. But we're gonna have a blast and we're gonna have a lot more content coming at you soon. I will see you guys at the campground.